Hey, what's up, Lawn Nation? This is George from Princess Cuts. I'm going to tell you guys today what I use to level my lawn, because I know you're wondering, should I use soil, sand, or should I use both? Well, I'm going to show you what I did on my main lawn, and I'll show you what I did on my boulevard strip, because I did a little bit of experiment to see exactly what was the best dirt to use. As you'll see, I had different results both on my boulevard strip and on my main lawn. Also keep in mind that I live in northern Illinois and we have a hot, humid, continental climate. So what works for me may not work for you, but I'm excited to share my results with you. With the climate that I have, summer could be extremely harsh on my grass, even with proper irrigation. First, I'm going to show you the sand leveling project that I did on my main lawn and my results. And then after that, I'll show you the results I had on my boulevard strip using sand and soil. And let me just preface and say that I do think sand has the best leveling properties. But as you see in the upcoming videos, it didn't just work quite as well for my situation. This is an area that I leveled with only sand last spring, and during the summertime I got some burnout due to the asphalt getting too hot and heating the sand. This is my boulevard strip that I used a sand and soil mixture last spring, and as you can see, there was no burnout, and even though the asphalt driveway is there, the soil was still able to stay cool. I'm going to show you guys my personal mix that I used to put down on my lawn. If you take a look over here, what this is 1.5 cubic feet of soil screened mixed with 50 pounds of sand. If you look at the texture, it's nice and fine as if it was just sand alone. So the spreadability is awesome. What I like to do is do these in batches. Although it is a little bit cumbersome and tedious, it works very well, and if you want to get that perfect level lawn, this is exactly how you're going to do it. First thing I'm going to do before I touch up my lawn leveling, I'm going to scalp my grass to 0.40 inches. After I mowed, I started putting piles of dirt around my lawn. But before I did that, I took my landscape rake and I put it down to see if there's any trenches that need to be filled to make it more level. Then, as you can see here, I have my lovely assistant pour it wherever those dips may be. My piles are not so large, mostly because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I did a leveling project last spring and I was able to knock out a big chunk of it. Aside from the obvious reward and satisfaction that you get when you complete your project, what's great about leveling your lawn is that year over year, when you continue to do it, it just keeps getting easier. I'm going to show you the tool that I use to level my lawn. This is a leveling rake. I bought this off of R&R Products. It is a very expensive tool, but I promise you, if you do end up buying it, it is a very addicting tool and it'll bring you many hours of hard but very enjoyable experience. I'm going to put a ½ pound of N of this professional turf quality Let's Go fertilizer. And here is the finished
product.